Hello everyone, a very warm welcome to Look Gorgeous. In this video, I'm going to be reviewing this product, Sattva Premium Hair Oil. Before watching this video, please hit that red subscribe button and also click on the notification bell next to it. Like this video if you want to see more such videos and more such product reviews. So we have Sattva Premium Hair Oil. This oil is a blend of certain oils. The ingredients are almond oil, castor oil, coconut oil, grapeseed oil, amla oil, emu oil, jojoba oil, vitamin E and olive oil. We all know that these oils are so good for your hair regrowth, for hair growth, for stopping hair fall, for stopping premature graying, for getting rid of dandruff, for making your hair soft, smooth and shiny and everything like that. We all know that already. हम सबको अच्छे से पता है कि बादाम का तेल, अरंड का तेल, नारियल का तेल, आंवले का तेल, जोजोबा का तेल, विटामिन ई, जैतून तेल और ये सभी तेल जो है बालों के लिए बहुत अच्छे होते हैं। हेयर रीग्रोथ को प्रमोट करते हैं, हेयर ग्रोथ को करते हैं, बालों को ग्रे होने से बचाते हैं, डैंड्रफ से बचाते हैं, स्मूथ बनाते हैं, स्ट्रॉन्ग बनाते हैं, शाइनी बनाते हैं। तो ये सभी तेल ये काम करते हैं और यही प्रोडक्ट्स इसमें। इसको यूज़ कैसे करना है, जैसे किसी भी हम नॉर्मल ऑयल को यूज़ करते हैं। शेक वेल बिफोर यूज, आफ्टर दैट अप्लाई ऑयल ऑन योर स्कैल्प, मसाज फॉर 3 to 4 minutes, लीव ओवरनाइट and on next day you have to wash your hair off with a shampoo, and for best results you have to use this 2 times in a week for at least 3 to 4 months. I have personally used it 2 to 3 times in a week, and for 3 to 4 months already you can see that I have used this much of oil. And you guys might be knowing that I have partial alopecia, like in this part of my head there are very little hair because of that disease. So I cannot use any bad product or anything like that, but I'm using this product and I have used it up till I have used it till here because it's worth using. That's why only I have used it. And दिस इज़ अ पैराबेन फ्री प्रोडक्ट एंड मेड इन इंडिया. इसमें पैराबेन नहीं है, इंडिया में बना है. सो ऑब्वियसली अ बिग थम्स अप फॉर दिस थिंग. Great oils, great blend of oils. And what does this oil says? It slows premature graying. Yes, it does slow premature graying. I cannot see any gray hair in my head right now. Only one gray hair is there. So this thing has cured that problem. इससे आपके बाल अगर सफ़ेद हो रहे हैं या ऐसा कुछ है तो होपफुली ये आपके ठीक कर देगा, बिकॉज इसने मेरे ठीक किए हैं. एंड इट प्रमोट्स हेयर ग्रोथ. येस, इट प्रमोट्स हेयर ग्रोथ इफ़ यू हैव नॉर्मल हेयर कंडीशन. आई हैव पार्शियल एलोपेशिया, तो यहाँ पर मुझे बहुत हल्के से ज़रा से दिखे, एंड दैट्स अ ह्यूज थिंग बिकॉज डॉक्टर्स ने मना कर दिया कि यहाँ पर हेयर आ सकते हैं. बट स्टिल इससे यूज़ करने के बाद हल्के से छोटे हेयर मुझे दिखाई दे हैं. And in the rest part of my head where I do not have any problem, this thing works perfectly fine. So it promotes hair growth, it prevents dandruff. It says that it prevents dandruff. It cures dandruff for like 2 days. Like I apply this oil in my head, then I wash off with shampoo, the dandruff is completely gone, but after 2 days the dandruff comes back. Maybe it's because of that thing that I have partial alopecia and I have that severe problem. So if you are facing normal dandruff problem, normal hair fall problem, normal premature graying, then definitely this product I would highly recommend you to get this, because it's a paraben free made in India product with great ingredients and it's very easily available. So in my case, stops hair fall? No, not completely, because I have that partial alopecia and bad thing going on. But yes, it definitely controls my hair fall for sure, and it has made my hair really soft, smooth and nice, because I have very rough and bad hair originally. But yes, this product is helping me to make my hair soft, smooth and nice. You can see I can manage my hair really well. There was a time when I have to use a puff thing inside my hair, then only I can carry my hair outside properly or like stuff like that. But yes, after using that hair, at least I'm able to manage my hair on the day when I shampoo. Otherwise ये भी मेरे लिए बहुत मुश्किल हो जाता है. ये product इस किसी ने मुझे भेजा है जिन्होंने खुद ये प्रॉब्लम फेस की है हेयर फॉल की, इसीलिए उन्होंने ये प्रोडक्ट डेवलप किया है ताकि वो और लोगों की हेल्प कर सके. So that's the reason he came up with this product. He sent me to review for you guys, and all opinions are completely my own, as you already know. Packaging is nice, sturdy enough, cute and simple, nothing like very high or something non-breakable because it's a plastic. It's 100 ml of product, quantity is good enough. It will last you for 5 to 6 months, which is great for 600 rupees product if it is lasting you for 6 months. Like, it's 100 rupees per month, and definitely one can afford rupees 100 for 1 month for the betterment of their hair. And if you get 2 bottles, you will get some discount as well for that combo thing. Expiry thing is also good. It's like around 1 to 2 years, I guess. And I will I repurchase? Or I can say that, would I repurchase? Yes, I can, because I do like this thing, and there is no harm in using this thing, and it's so good for eyebrows. I 100% recommend it for eyebrows, and I do recommend it for any normal person who has some hair issues. I definitely recommend to that person. And that's it for this video. I hope that you guys like this video, and if you guys like it, then give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I'm gonna leave the links down there in the description box below from where you can buy this product. And there is no harm in trying this product because it contains so many good ingredients and oil. If you buy almond oil, castor oil, coconut oil and everything separately, then it will cost you a lot, plus you will not even know the ratio of mixing this all and everything like that. So I definitely recommend this thing. And also the texture and everything is like that sticky kind of thing, like castor oil type of thing, if you have tried castor oil, which is very good for your hair. So that's pretty much it. If you want to buy, अगर आपको ये प्रोडक्ट खरीदना है, पसंद आया है, डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में चेक कीजिए, वहाँ आपको लिंक्स मिलेंगे. आप फ्लिपकार्ट से या फिर जो भी साइट में आप नीचे लीव करूँगी लिंक, वहाँ पर आप देख सकते हैं, वहाँ से आप खरीद सकते हैं. So that's pretty much it for this part of this video. And now moving on to the giveaway part, giveaway winners. I organized 130k makeup giveaway with Lashes Tony Zoo on my channel some time back, and I said that there will be one winner only, and I showed some products, but Lashes Tony wanted to choose 2 winners, so I was like, go on and select 2. There's no harm in choosing a runner-up as well. So the winners are Delina Pinto, and the runner-up is Beauty Queen. Thank you so much, guys, and thank you so much everyone for participating. I love you guys so much. I gave some clues in between of my videos, like, so Delina Pinto and Beauty Queen watched my videos till the end completely, so they know the clues. They came up with the right clues, and also there are many others also who came up with the right clues. Thank you so much, guys, and I'm sorry I was not able to make you all winners. I wish I can, but that's not problem and practical, obviously. So I decided, like Lashes Tony Zoo, Michelle and me decided to select 2 winners. Like, one is Delina Pinto and the second one is Beauty Queen. So I'm going to be dividing those makeup products which I had in 30k makeup giveaway in both of you guys. So I want both of you to message me your preferred products in order wise, so that I can give you the best possible products which you like the most as per your choice. आप दोनों को करना क्या है, बस कुछ नहीं, एक मैसेज मेरे को करना है जिसमें आप अपना प्रेफरेंस वाइज, लाइक सबसे ज़्यादा आपको उस मेकअप गिवअवे में से क्या पसंद था, सेकेंड नंबर पे क्या पसंद है, थर्ड पे क्या पसंद है, आप लाइन वाइज मुझे लिख कर दे दीजिए आपको क्या क्या पसंद है. तो मैं पूरी कोशिश करूँगी कि आपको वही प्रोडक्ट्स दूँ जो कि आपके टॉप लिस्ट में होंगे. सो I hope that is okay for you, because I only had that stuff for giveaway. So I have to divide because there are 2 winners now, and it's completely fair, I guess. Dividing little bit products in everyone is better than giving huge products to only one person. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching. Love you guys so much, and I'm gonna see you in my next video. Till then, take care and look gorgeous.